Our country incredible India is a beautiful country where millions of foreign tourists come and visit India every year. But all of this has now come to hood due to pandemic and has left people dependent on India's tourism industry unemployed and jobless. But we as Indians and travelers are the hope to those people. Where we can contribute, make a difference in helping them rebuild and revive their lives. Number 1. Explore our own country. Many of us travel outside for vacations, but now we should consider traveling and exploring our own country. Because each and every state of India is so unique, diverse and has so much to offer that it is equivalent to a foreign country. Number 2. Stay at local hotels, places and homestay. India known for its rich culture and history. Staying with local places helps to get the authentic and understanding about the local culture, food, language of the destination closely and eventually helps the local people too. Number 3. Eat local food and regional food as locals do. Like Indian culture, Indian food also is very rich. Every corner of the country has its own local outstanding and variety of local regional famous cuisine and foods which are must try. Number 4. Shop at local markets. Visit local markets, bazaars, instead of buying high-end products. These products range from souvenirs, jewelry, clothes, handicrafts, and has lots to offer and helps the local art and artisans. Number 5. Use local transport. Use local transport as much as possible as they are enjoyable and unique experience too. In turn you are helping the locals earn them their bread and butter.